Hi, I'm Marilee from thecompletepianist.com. This video will cover the rhythm section from the Complete Pianist Workbook Level 2. Okay, let's review the note values for the basic notes. Here's the note pyramid that I drew. We'll start at top with the whole note, which is worth 4 beats. When you divide the whole note into 2 parts, that is a half note and another half note, each of them equaling 2 beats. You divide the half note into 2 parts and you'll get 2 quarter notes. Quarter note is equal to 1 beat. Divide the quarter note into 2 parts and that's 2 eighth notes, each of them worth a half a beat. Divide the eighth notes into 2 parts each and that's 4 16th notes. Each 16th note is worth a fourth of a beat. So if you have 16 16th notes, that's equal to the same amount of time as a whole note, or 4 beats. 8 eighth notes are equal to the same amount of time as a whole note, 4 beats. 4 quarter notes, same amount as a whole note, and 2 half notes is equal to the same amount as a whole note. The most important aspect of rhythm, besides knowing the values for each note, is learning to keep a steady beat. As we go through this example, listen for consistency and steadiness of beat. You can think of a person marching or walking. Most of us walk at a steady pace. Here's how the ta and TTs will sound. Ta, TT, ta, TT. On a half note, you will tap or clap on half, but don't tap or clap on note. Just continue to hold that clap. And on the rest, don't make any sound, just say rest. Okay, let's try the example. Ta, TT, half note, TT, ta, 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 TT, rest, TT, ta, ta, half note, TT, ta, half note, dot, TT, ta, ta, ta. Okay, now let's try using a normal counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 beats in each measure, which is common time. So we're saying the ands because we have eighth notes, so we're going to divide the beats even further than a regular 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll clap anywhere there's a note above it, and don't clap on an and or anything if there's no note above it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, it's time for our rhythm review. I will play these examples, one time tapping on my drum, the second time playing on the piano. So go ahead and count out loud yourself. I won't be doing the counting. Try the note naming method first, and then the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and counting method second. Great big whole note is how you do this whole note. When you use the note naming method, you'll say great big whole note on that one. And when I'm playing on the piano, I'll be playing on the left top, middle, and bottom anchors. If you haven't learned those yet, just play on one note of the piano. Okay, let's get started. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now on the piano, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Once you feel comfortable with the counting, the next step will be to go ahead and apply these concepts in your own piece of music. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. If you have any other questions or would like to download any of the free material, go to thecompletepianist.com.